Hi, today let's make tasty village style egg drop curry recipe. This is very simple, very easy, but it's a beautiful recipe. I would definitely recommend you trying this. Now in a kadai, have heated in oil. Once oil has heated, I've added in some mustard seeds. Now I'll be adding in some methi seeds as well, just 4 or 5. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Next I've added in some fennel seeds or somp, and next I've added in curry leaves along with green chilies and fried really very well till the green chilies and the curry leaves turns crispy. Now at this stage what I'm doing is adding in some chopped onions and fry the onions really very well till the raw smell goes and the onion turns slightly pink and slightly brown, because the more brown and pink and the raw smell goes, the more tastier the gravy turns out to be. Now the onions are turning slightly brown. At this stage I'm adding in some chopped tomatoes. Now along with the chopped tomatoes I'm adding in chopped ginger and chopped garlic as well. If you don't want chopped ginger and chopped garlic, please go ahead, add in ginger garlic paste. Now saute all of this really very well till the raw smell goes, and then now I'm adding in some salt, some Kashmiri chili powder, or you can add in chili powder as well. Now I'm adding in some turmeric powder, and then I'll be adding in some coriander powder. And now here I've added in some tamarind water and mix it really very well. Mix it till the tomatoes turn mushy and the oil separates from the gravy. Till then the gravy needs to cook really very well. It takes around 4 to 5 minutes, so cover it with the lid for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now I've taken out the lid. The gravy is cooked beautifully. At this stage I'm adding in some garam masala powder, mixing it really very well. Now I'm adding in hot water. Now hot water I've added it for the gravy because we need gravy, so that's the reason I've added water, and then I've mixed it really very well. Now slowly start dropping your eggs. You shouldn't overcrowd the kadai. Just drop it slowly one by one, and please do not add any spoon or mix it, because if you mix it then it'll become a scrambled egg. So don't touch it. Cook it really very well. Cover it with the lid for around 5 to 6 minutes. Finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and your tasty village style egg drop curry is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.